নমস্কাৰ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি মই তোমালোকক ক্লাছ 8ৰ হোৱাই ৱাজ টম সিক অন মানডে পাৰ্টিৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ দিবলৈ ওলাইছো তোমালোকে এইখিনি ভালকৈ চাই ভালকৈ শুনি লিখি লবা আৰু পঢ়িবা বুলি আশা কৰি মই মোৰ ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ লৈছো দেই Answer the following questions Why did Tom find Monday morning miserable Tom found Monday morning miserable because it began weak suffering at school. Why was Tom envy of every boy at school? Tom was the envy of every boy at school because of the gap in his upper row of teeth enabled him to spite in a new and admirable way. Why did Tom decide not to use the trick regarding the loose tooth at first? Tom thought that his aunt would pull out his loose tooth that would hurt him. So he decided not to use the trick of loose tooth first and reserve it for next time. What did she tell Aunt Polly about Tom? Tom told Aunt Polly that Tom was about to die. How did she react to find Tom groaning on the bed? She thought that Tom was really suffering and groaning, so he was trembled in fear to see it and believed Tom would die. What was Aunt's reaction to Tom's mortified toe? After hearing about Tom's mortified toe, Auntie sat down on a chair and laughed as she came to know about his trick. So she told him to stop that nonsense and to be sensible. What was Tom's compensation for losing the tooth? The compensation for the losing tooth, Tom discovered a new and admirable way of spiting through the gap in his upper row of teeth, which was the cause of envy of every boy of school. What did Aunt do to Tom's tooth? Auntie pulled out Tom's tooth. She tied one end of the silk thread firmly to Tom's tooth and tied the other end to the bedpost and then she seized the chunk of fire and suddenly thrust it almost into the boy's face. As a result, the tooth pulled out from the jaw and dangled on the bedpost. Write a short note on Mark Twain. Mark Twain was the pen name of Samuel Langhorne Clemens. He was born on 30th November in the year 1835 in Florida. He was a famous American humanist writer and a lecturer. He won worldwide fame for his stories of youthful adventures. His adventure stories are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, 1876. Life on the Mississippi, 1883. And The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, 1884. He died on 21st April in the year 1910 at Reading. Narrate how Tom tried to stay away from school on Monday morning. On Monday morning, Tom felt unhappy because it began another week's suffering at school. Therefore, always on Monday, he created a new scene to stay away from school. On that day, Tom decided to trick one more way. Accordingly, he started groaning on the bed, which led to an unexpected situation. Tom groaned so admirably that his brothers Sid thought it was real and called Auntie Polly. In front of Auntie, Tom got puzzled. Instead of sore throat, he told about his loose tooth, and finally it was pulled out. Auntie was quite aware of his trick and he was sent to school. Right, true or false? Tom disliked Monday morning. True. Sid woke up at once hearing Tom's groans. False. Tom was suffering a lot. False. Sid became anxious at Tom's condition. True. Aunt Polly caught Tom's trick. True. Tom was successful in avoiding school. False. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. The lucky thing that Tom discovered was one of his front teeth was loose. The dental instruments Aunt Polly got together were ready. Sid was anxious because Tom's groans seemed quite genuine. Tom was envy of every boy he met because the gap in his upper row of teeth enabled him to spite in a new and admirable way. ধন্যবাদ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকে মোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'খিনি চাই কিবা নহয় কিবা হ'লেও সুফল লাভ কৰিছা আৰু পিছলৈও চাই থাকিবা।